ladies and gents, this is RV on two wheels again with another video. So today I'm going to be riding Sunset Boulevard, see how that goes. And my plan is to get to the beach, Santa Monica Beach, so we'll see. I'm running my GPS here because sometimes this GPS helps me out, letting me know where cops are, you know, speed traps. So that's why I'm running it right now. I'm gonna run this Sunset here, see what it has to offer. The only problem with these streets is this light. The sun is not favorable. Is that? Alright, I can see the beach. What are you doing, amigos? What's going on with you? What are you trying to do? Lane splitting here. Hey buddy, just want to make a U-way.
You're good. That bridge all the way on the right side.
All the way? Thank you. Nicely done. That was nice. That was a good ride.